Thank you for joining me today. This is a continuation video. If you haven't watched videos, career paths 1 to 4 for under health, they're in the playlist. Feel free to do so. Share with families and friends, with someone who doesn't understand the language yet. If you have subscribed, thank you very much. If you haven't, please do. What are you waiting for? Don't forget, this is a continuation video, and in this video today, I'll be discussing the fifth area of specialization under health, all the vocational training that we have under health. This is the fifth area of specialization. That's berufe in the therapy, niche English. That is profession in therapy, non-medical. These professions are non-medical, but they have to do with therapy. Now, the first area career paths under this fifth area of specialization is the ATEM SPRECH on STIMMLEHRER. That is breathing, speaking, and voice teacher. Breathing, speaking, and voice teacher. The duration is 3 years. During this vocational training, no payment is being made. The duration is 3 years. It's a factual, it's a vocational training job. The description, what do they do? What they do is they work in medical, therapeutic, preventive, or educational field. They treat patients with disorders that have to do with respiratory tract, the vocal organ, speech organ, or language development. So anyone that is having language development issues, they try to help them, they support them with exercises, they plan therapeutic measures to make sure that they carry out voice, speech, language, and swallowing treatment, usually on medical prescriptions. So they also teach their patients how to optimize their voice, inability to use it consciously, and how to develop the right breathing vocal techniques. Where do they find employment? They find employment in the pediatric and departments and pediatric audiology departments of medical centers. They find employment in daycare centers and retirement homes. They find employment at adult education centers, vocational schools for social education, drama, arts, colleges, educational colleges. They also find employment at broadcasting companies and operas and theater houses. So they have a lot of places to work. Do you need a certificate? Yes, you do. Without this certificate, anything lower than the Mittelbildungsabschluss, you are not accepted into this vocational training. Anything lower than your intermediate school leaving certificate, you are not admitted into this vocational training. Don't forget, the training years is 3 years, and it's a vocational occupation training. If you have further information, write us in the comment section. If you need further information, feel free to contact us. We are here for you. Don't give up on your careers, because only you can stop you. The second career path under this area of specialization is diet assistant. That's a dietitian. The duration is 3 years, and it's also a factual beruf. It's a vocational occupation. What do? They plan, they create nutritional therapy plan as part of a doctor's prescription. They coordinate that with the patient. They assess the nutritional status of patients. They find out about the disease and current situation of patient. They also develop the concept of a diet therapy plan and carry out nutritional related calculations. They select the appropriate food and diet based on the dietary criteria, and they develop new recipes as well, or they talk about nutrition issues and they give lectures and run cooking courses. Where do they find employment? They find employment in the hospitals, they find employment in rehabilitation clinics and outpatient specialist practices. Do you need a certificate? Yes, you do need a certificate. In this vocational training, anything lower than the Mittelbildungsabschluss is not accepted. So if you have your intermediate school leaving certificate, then you're accepted into this career path. Don't forget, it is 3 years, and it's a factual beruf. It's a vocational training occupation. Don't give up on your careers. Only you can stop you.